Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've made a video kind of like this before, but I used this as a scenario yesterday about changing these colors. And somebody asked me how you would select just the blue. And this is a good video for the freehand pick tool. So this thing's 25 inches, so I'm going to make my nudge factor 26. Up underneath your pick tool, you've got the freehand pick tool. I do not use it very much, but it's very helpful in like this situation. If you will, in all these objects, let's get the regular pick tool back. There are 141 objects, but we just want to select the blue ones. And there probably is a quicker way than this, but this is a surefire way to do it. Take the freehand pick tool, and as long as you're not on one of those lines when you start, and I hope you can see that little blue line going around. So I'm picking the inside blue and the inside black, and I'm going to move them over. Then I can just take the freehand pick tool. As long as I don't touch any of the blue, I can go around the black, and I'm not encompassing the whole part of the blue, so it's just selecting the black. And then I'm going to nudge it over. And then if I wanted to, I could change these to red, I could change it to black, and then I can just nudge them back. So that's how you could do that. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.